Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today, I just got a box from my friends over at Ipsy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? So, looks like I got some brushes. You think? Gotta love makeup tools. So I have in here, looks like from Complex Culture, which is a Ipsy brand actually. So the first thing I see in here, it looks like it might be from Complex Culture. Do you order from the add-ons on Ipsy? Let me know in the comments below. This is definitely Complex Culture. So here's the first brush here, and there's another one here. So which one is this one? Let me put on my reading glasses. Maybe that might help. Okay. It says an Easy Crease Definer. And then there's this one. This is like a fluffy brush. These are like the eco-friendly brushes that part of it is biodegradable, which is awesome. I think it's made of plants. Okay, so this is the definable creaser one. An interesting. See that? Wow. This I definitely don't have in my collection. I know I have a few from Complex Culture. And then there's this one. This one's really pretty too. This feels like a fluffy brush. Very nice, right? Yeah. This will probably help better with like lines, and this is more like to blend out. But I'm loving the design of these brushes. Okay. So here is the next bag here. Another from Complex Culture. Very nice. Vegan and cruelty free. Love it. This feels like a big fluffy brush, but let's see. Oh yeah. Like almost like a contour brush in a way. When these are on sale, I like to try to get them when I can. So it's nice to see them in the add-ons bin. So beautiful. So soft. Love it. This feels more like a contour brush. So again, I'm loving that I've gotten, I'm always looking out to find brushes, and Complex Cultures are pretty good. Oh, and one more thing that I got from their add-on. Oh, this is from Eres. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is their Malibu Sunrise Ombre Blusher. Ooh, fancy. Can I open this? Yep. And they do show what it may look like in the packaging, on the inside. Yep, stays too, oh, that's pretty. It's like a sunrise. That is so, so pretty. I am liking that. So I'm just gonna, it feels very smooth. I can see that. And that's the coloring I get right off the bat. It's like a peachy pink. I like it. Definitely something for the summer. And I don't think there's any, no, there's not any scents. So very nice. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you an Ipster? Do you go crazy on the add-on sales? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest Ipsy unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe, bye.